We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's learn cross basic 6. We'll start basic on 1, slow. We'll practice cross B6 together with cross B4. Are you ready? Let's go with the left. Step to the back and cross B4 with the left. Again, step to the back and cross B4 with the right. Basic. So make sure to go over cross B4 in the link below. Let's go again with the left. 1, 3, 5, 7 with the right. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. And notice that we only use the 1, 3, 5 and 7. Let's go again with the left. 3, 5, 7 with the right. Get ready for full speed. Basic. Let's go. And let's go. Cross B6 and cross B4. Cross B6 with the right and cross B4. Basic. Let's go again. Go. 1, 5. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Cross B6 and cross B4. Now with the right. Let's practice again. Slow. Basic. The more you practice, the better you get. So make sure to go through all practice. Let's go with the left. Step to the back and cross B4 with the left. Now with the right. Step to the back and cross B4 with the right. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. Cross B6 and cross B4. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now with the right. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. And you know what? Let's call cross B6 and cross B4 cross B6 extended. Let's go. Cross B6 with the left and cross B4 with the left, which is cross B extended. Now with the right. Get ready for full speed. Basic. Go. And let's go. Cross B6 extended. 1, 5, 1, 5. Basic. Let's go again. Cross B6 extended. Cross B6 and cross B4. Cross B6 and cross B4. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Now let's practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Cross B6 and cross B4. Just start with the right. Basic on 2 slow. And let's start with the right. Cross B6 with the right. Step to the back and cross B4 with the right. Again, cross B6. Step to the back and cross B4 with the left. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go again. 1, 3, 5, 7 with the left. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. And notice again that we only use the 1, 3, 5 and 7. Let's go again. 1, 3, 5, 7 with the left. Get ready for full speed. Basic. Let's go. And let's go. Cross B6 extended. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Cross B6 and cross B4, which is cross B6 extended. Basic. And give me one more. Let's go. Yeah, doing great. Now let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Yeah, practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's go again with the right. Step to the back and cross B4 with the right. Now with the left, step to the back and cross before with the left. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again with the right. 1, 3, 5, 7 with the left. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. And remember, we're practicing cross B6 and cross B4, which is cross B6 extended. Let's go. Cross B6 with the right and cross B4 with the right, which is cross B6 extended. Now with the left, getting ready for, full speed. Basic. Go. 1. And let's go. Cross B6 and cross B4. Cross B6 and cross B4. Basic. And let's go again. Cross B6 extended. Doing great. Yeah, basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 5, 1, 5. Now let's practice face to face. I'll flip the screen. Continue basic on 2 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row. Starting with the right. Let's go. Cross B6 with the right and cross B4 with the right. Now with the left. Cross B6 with the left and cross B4 with the left. No basic with the right. This is the second time. With the left. And again with the right. No basic. This is the third time. Doing great. Now get ready for, full speed. Basic. Go. And 3 in a row. Starting with the right. Go. 1, 3, 5, 7. With the left. No basic. Again with the right. Second time. With the left. And third time. Now let's do it all on 1. Basic on 1 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row. Starting with the left. Let's go with the left. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now with the right. Remember, no basic. So let's do it again with the left for the second time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now with the right. This is cross B6 and cross B4. Together, cross B6 extended. Now with the left. 5, 7, 1, 3. Get ready for full speed. Basic. Go. 1 and 3 in a row with the left. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3. No basic. Again with the left. Second time. Last time. Yeah, well done, and thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day, try to add the chest slide side to side.